In the last video, I showed how these on the Shelby lines, you know, on the GT, this line, it's like an afterthought. If you look at it, both sides, the lines don't match, not even close. I mean, to me now as I'm watching this line off the GT with the hood, we're talking two different cars here, almost completely different. I mean, you can make the argument that it's the same, but it's not. It's off, isn't it, buddy? Look at this. It looks like this hood was not meant to be with the top, with the roof line. Not at all. Not even close. And for the guys that want to replace or just do the minimum to make this look into a Shelby, this is what the old or the current GT hood with that. So the Shelby hood is a lot different, because I'm going to go to the other side real quick and I'll show you why it is different. See that? The Shelby versus the old GT hood. And you can't, because see, like even when you close it, it scratches it. So it doesn't fit. Actually, nothing fits. Everything's out of kilter. Look at that. Anyways, it doesn't fit. It doesn't even come close to fitting.
Today's episode is a continuation of getting the car road legal. Today we're going to be taking the old Fender off, putting the new one on. Hopefully that fits. They're going to put we already know it fits, but we're going to put the new hood on, make sure all the latches fit, and that'll be it.
You know, here's a pro tip. Never, ever, ever buy aftermarket batteries for GoPros or anything else like that. Always buy the original OEM. They last so much longer. Okay, go ahead. Okay, one more.
Where is it?
On the bottom. See right here? Look.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, so I gotta pull up on this while you put that in.
No, you don't. Or
Yeah.
you want to make it flush.
I want to make it flush. You know, I was hoping that we would not need the hinges for the hood, but apparently they're ever so slightly different, and we gotta go order new ones. We gotta go pick up a whole bunch of parts that we ordered that have not come in but just came in yesterday. So we're on our way right now to the Ford place to pick those up, and we're gonna put in an order for 2 hinges. And I think that we should have all the parts that are necessary to get this thing back together. Okay, so when it comes to this bar right here, this is the only thing that's still bent apparently. As you can see, it's slightly, the bolt holes, I think we can get them, we can push them in, but what we're gonna try to do is maybe hook it up to the tree with a come along. Yeah, the best alignment tool in the world. We're gonna just pull it out ever so slowly and see if that does the trick. I don't see, you know, we just put this on and this whole thing just, well, of course the dent here, but everything else lines.
Really good. I'm surprised how good we aligned it. The dent makes it look worse, but it looks really good.
Yeah.
From what it looked like before, it's amazing.
Oh yeah, and see, check out these things. I left these out last time. See these beautiful dents that were made by the hood that fell over, but like I said, everything else lines up. Everything lines up. I'm really amazed. I didn't think it would line up because this is still pushed in a little bit, but we're going to try to align it with the tree and see what happens. And if it doesn't work, you know, as we get more parts on, we will know. We're going to try to pull this out ourselves.
I think we can do it. It's very little. We can fit the screw in.
Yeah, I think we can. Here, you show it. Show it.
Bend it.
Yeah, see that? You can actually push it in. So what we're going to do, I'm going to hook it up to the tree. Beautiful tree. And we're going to just pull it out with a come along. See if that helps any. And if it, what do you think? Think we should do it?
Yeah, why not? If we bend it, then you can bend it back. Fixer people.
Say that again. Say what?
If we bend it way too much, we can just give it to the fixer people and they can bend it back.
Yeah, the fixer people will fix it if we mess it up.
Much to lose.
Yeah, we got nothing to lose, do we?
No, not really.
But before we do any of this,
we get attach the come along to this thing. It's sturdy.
Yeah, the sturdy thing.
Okay, no, we can attach it to this thing.
Okay.
Yeah, look, it's attached to this, so we can attach it to this.
Okay, that's.
Imagine the whole thing just bends to a 90-degree angle.
Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this video. One of the reasons, yeah. Please share, like, subscribe, pass the word. The reason that we take it so long with this video is just parts availability. It just takes forever.
Help me pay for my college funds.
Yeah, help him pay for his college fund. It takes forever to get these parts in, and then once they do come in, it takes forever to get them. And it's super hot too. At least today it's
so nice.
Beautiful. It's
gonna rain. Look, show them the rain cloud.
degrees.
Show them the huge rain cloud. Oh wow, it's big. It's gonna rain, so it's gonna be nice. It's very strong wind. But
yeah.
I'm really excited how it turned out.
Yeah, it's turning out really well, and it's taking forever. Okay, guys. So, anyways, we will see you. What do you gotta say?
Please watch our other videos.